Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Coding Everyday, where we make coding a habit. So this is a new series on React Native tutorials that we are going to start. In this series we are going to learn about introduction into React and React Native. We'll learn how to set up the environment for React Native, especially for Android. We will learn about the components in React, the JSX way of writing the React Native basic components that React Native provides. Then we will learn about the stylings, the way we have CSS in the web. So the styling in React Natives. We will also learn about the hooks in React. That is not general to React Native, but it's provided by React. We will create some basic UI. Then we will learn about the React router, how to navigate to different screens and pages. Then we will integrate it with an API and we'll learn about API integration. We will learn about how to create a reusable hook. Then we will learn about Redux and Redux Thunk for state management and asynchronous state management. We will also learn about how to store our data in our local device using async storage, and we will learn about some practical scenarios as well. So in this course we are not only going to learn about the basics, so we will also learn how to Google and look for different stuff, how we can search for different libraries, and using Google Stack Overflow, how we can solve our daily common problems. So I hope to see you all in the next video. So if you want to learn something about React Native or React, please do subscribe to this channel and like this video, share it with your other friends who want to learn about React Native. Thank you.